It's Friday, August 30th, and this is Plan Company's video newsletter. In today's news, happy employees are given the goods to succeed. Property managers, how to make a powerful first impression. Plan Company's associates relax and unwind with annual spa day. Plan TV is coming. Learn all about it. These stories coming right after this. Plan Companies was founded in 1898. We're based in New Jersey and support clients all over the East Coast and California. We specialize in janitorial, concierge, security guards, and building maintenance. This is volume 4 of our video newsletter. Let's go. Number 1, happy employees are given the goods to succeed. Written by Robert Francis, CEO of Plan Companies. Here at Plan, exceptional customer service is one of the core values we pride ourselves on. However, to accomplish that, it all starts with the employee. Happy employees result in happy clients, who in turn fuel your growth, brand, and reputation. Making technology accessible, easy to use, and processing the cool factor allows for more productivity and employee engagement. To read more, visit plancompanies.com/blog. Number 2, attention property managers, how to make a powerful first impression. Written by Director of Business Development in New York, Massachusetts, and Connecticut, Michael Miller. Appearance is key. As soon as people arrive at your property, they'll notice the condition of the outdoors and landscaping. Sound needs to be minimal. Is there loud music, barking dogs, excessive noise? Comfort is a priority. Potential renters and/or buyers want to feel comfortable in their new home. To read the full article, visit us on LinkedIn. Number 3, Planned associates relax and unwind with annual spa day. This year's spa day fell on August 1st, and employees new and tenured were looking forward to the event. Since we all work hard, taking the time to unwind, relax, and take a much-needed breath is time well spent. Rob Francis, CEO. Number 4, Plan TV is coming. This fall, Plan Companies will launch Plan TV. Plan TV will be a monthly production which will include interviews, education designed to help property managers be more effective, news, and entertaining content for Plan Companies' clients and partners. We are launching in October on the Plan TV YouTube channel. Visit our channel and subscribe today so you'll be among the first to be notified of our launch. So that's what's happening with Plan Companies this month. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you click on the link in the description, so that next month you'll get the inside scoop on all things Plan Companies.